So this is just a very quick walkthrough through Photoshop Express, which I use for doing things like straightening photos. If it's a bit wonky, then it will auto-correct that for me. Then I can crop and do other things to each image, which is fantastic. So then one of the main features that I use is to actually create a mask and a selection, which is then going to allow me to create a white background around images for my eBay listings. So it's pretty easy to use. Like, I'm actually just using my finger on my iPhone in this example. I do actually have a stylus which I use as well, so there are limitations to kind of how exact you can actually be with the big finger, but it works pretty well. Like for eBay, it's pretty good. So please like and subscribe.